The Xbox app lets you purchase and install games on any of your system drives. Usually, this process works well, but sometimes, the Xbox app won't let you install games in any location other than the default directory. If this is also happening to you, here are some ways on how you can fix it. Now, you might fail to change the installation drive in the Xbox app due to a temporary system glitch or bug. But luckily, you can quickly eliminate such bugs and glitches by restarting your computer. Then after restarting, launch the Xbox app and check if you can now choose a different drive to install games. But if that did not work, change the installation directory in the Xbox app settings. Just launch the Xbox app, click on your profile in the top left corner, choose Settings, select General, click Change Folder, choose the location where you want to install the game, then click the Select Folder option. Lastly, customize the system settings. Just open Settings, click System, choose Storage, click the drop-down icon next to Advanced Storage Settings, and choose where the new content is saved option. Click the drop-down icon under the New Apps Will Save To section, choose the drive where you want to install the game, then click Apply. So those are the following fixes if you cannot choose a drive to install games on the Xbox app for Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.